intricate metal beneath. Next, a soft brush glides between every key, dislodging hidden grime with soothing strokes. Then, a delicate polish transforms each metallic key, making them glimmer under the warm light. Notice the satisfying slow motion as tarnish vanishes, unveiling the original shine. Which part was most satisfying? Comment your favourite and subscribe for daily restoration relaxation.